Hey beauties! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're showing you how to get a flawless salon-style hairstyle at home in 3 simple steps, easy, quick, and totally gorgeous. Let's dive right in. Step: prep and protect. Start by washing and conditioning your hair to keep it soft and smooth. Gently detangle using a wide tooth comb and always apply a heat protectant spray. Step: style and shape. Now, let's bring your look to life. You can blow dry for that sleek, bouncy look, curl for soft waves, or straighten for a polished vibe, whatever fits your mood. Step: finish and shine. Once your style is set, it's time to seal the deal. Smooth down flyaways with a light serum or all. Just a few drops go a long way. And there you have it, a gorgeous, effortless hairstyle that looks like you just stepped out of the salon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy hair tutorials and beauty tips every week.